Okay, video 3 here. This is the third part. Just wanted to show some of the inside stuff here. Got the factory cassette with the extra CD player. Tire doors. It's got this cool folding console deal. Place from the CDs. Everything. Power point down there. A folder. And like the wheels on it, they're Mickey Thompson. Brush cart, I've used it pushing stuff around already. This is cool. My 2000 that I had the third door on it. I swore I wouldn't buy another truck if it didn't have at least 3. This one's got third door, pockets back here. Big lump with jack. Power on his door locks. Cold air conditioner. Put some seat takes off. Me and all the kids and the wife can ride in it. You can see I use it. There's stuff in the back now. Toolbox. Rails and all that came with it. Gonna have to put new tires on it before long. It's got BF Goodrich mud terrains. And they're 285 75 16s, which comes up to a 33-inch. They're about 40% tread. Step rails. Everything works. Cruise, tilt, everything. No real mechanical issues. Runs great, drives great. About it. D71 off-road. I wish I had a sliding rear window, but it doesn't. So this is a replacement for the crashed Jeep. I'm no longer a Jeeper, at least not till I buy a junk Jeep to bash off-road, and this will be the tow rig. But I had to have a 4-wheel drive for my farm here, and I really need a pickup for it, so there's Grandpa, and I guess this will be grandson. That's it. Bye, that's all.